Srila Prabhupada, he ordered, you go and preach Sri Chaitanya cult all over the world. But at first, when he went to America, American people, they asked, are you Indian saint? Then Srila Swamiji replied, yes. Oh, you are coming for begging in this America? Immediately, Swamiji replied, maybe before so many saints come to begging purpose, but now I am coming here to giving purpose to all over the world. That is transcendental name of Sri Hari.